Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel Finance Career 247. And if you're new here, make sure you stick around till the end of this video because I'm about to give you one of the most honest, no-nonsense breakdowns about how to get a banking job as a fresher. No fluff, no fake motivation, just real facts and real clarity. Let's get into it. So when it comes to getting into banking as a fresher, you basically have two options in front of you. Option 1, government banks. Option 2, private banks. Let's talk about both. Government banks in India, SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda and others. Hire through exams like IBPS-PO, IBPS clerk, SBIPO, SBI clerk and RRBPO and clerk. Now here's the data. Every single year, roughly 1 crore students appear for these exams combined. Total selections, 2 to 3%. And what happens to the students who don't clear? Most of them restart, new attempt, new batch, same cycle. And this cycle goes on. 5 years, 6 years, sometimes 8 years. And then the age limit runs out. I'm not saying don't try for government banks, but have a plan B. And that brings us to option 2. Private banks, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, Kotak, they hire throughout the year. No entrance exam, direct interview. But here is something you need to know upfront. In 99% of private banks, the fresher entry-level role is a sales officer position. The maximum age for most of these roles is 27 to 28 years. Now, I know what just went through your head. Sales? That's not really a bank job. And this right here is the biggest misconception I want to break today. The growth in banking sales is very real and very fast. People who start as sales officers go on to become relationship officer, relationship manager, sales manager, operations head, branch heads, cluster heads, regional heads, and even business heads. This is a career ladder, and it moves fast for people who actually perform. What drives growth in sales? 4 things: effort, strategy, knowledge, and your approach style. Master these and the promotions and increments follow automatically. And let me completely change your perspective on sales. Even a small child does sales. When a kid says, "Mumma please, just one more episode," that is sales. When you convince your friends to go to the restaurant you want, that is sales. Sales exists everywhere. It is the oldest skill in human history. And here's something that has genuinely changed. Earlier, sales used to attract people who felt they had no other option. Kuch nahi aaya to sales kar lete hain was the mindset. But today, sales attracts some of the sharpest, most ambitious people. Because smart people have realized that sales is where the real money and real growth is. The people who come in with that mindset are the ones who grow fast and move ahead. Sales is not a last resort anymore. For the right people, it is a first choice. Now, the most important clarity of this entire video. A lot of freshers think, I'll join a bank, but I'll only do operations, back office work, I don't want sales. Let me break this right now. Whether you are a cashier, teller, service officer, operations manager, or even a branch manager, everyone in a bank has a sales target. Everyone, no exception. Even the person handling cash at the counter has a target to cross-sell insurance, fixed deposits, and credit cards. Sales is mandatory in banking, full stop. So if you genuinely feel you cannot do sales, I say this with complete respect. Banking might not be the right industry for you. Find something that matches your strengths. There is no shame in that. But if you are open to learning and growing, banking will reward you like very few industries will. And here is the bonus. When you join as a sales officer, you are not stuck there forever. After a few months or a year or two, you can internally switch departments, move to operations, credit, compliance, or wealth management. The door opens from the inside. Starting salary in private banks for freshers is around 15 to 20,000 rupees in hand per month. It starts modest, yes. There is target pressure, yes. But slowly you build expertise, confidence, and a career that actually goes somewhere. The truth about banking is simple. It runs on sales. Embrace it and you will grow. Resist it and you will struggle. If this video gave you even one new insight, hit that subscribe button right now. I am going to keep bringing you real, honest content about careers and growth. Share this with one friend who is confused about their career. They will genuinely thank you for it. See you in the next one. Keep growing.